In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate videos in Magnific AI Mobile. We'll walk through the exact screens on the mobile app so you can turn a simple idea into a polished clip in just a few taps. Start by opening the Magnific AI app on your phone. Make sure you're on a stable connection, then look along the bottom navigation bar and tap AI Suite. This opens the creative tools. Next, choose Generate Video to enter the video composer. Here you'll see two options for the idea itself. If you want inspiration, tap Random Prompt to autofill a concept. If you already know what you want, type your own prompt. Clear, specific language works best to describe the subject, the motion, the mood, and any visual style. To guide how the scene evolves, tap Add Start Frame and Add End Frame. These frames act like anchors. The video will transition from your starting look to your ending look, staying consistent with your prompt. Before generating, tap the Settings icon. In Settings, choose the mode that matches your goal, adjust the length to control how long the clip runs, and set the resolution. Higher resolutions look sharper but may take longer to render. You can also toggle sound if you want audio included. If you're testing ideas, keep things shorter and lower resolution for quicker results. For final output, bump them up. When everything looks right, tap Generate. A loading indicator will appear, and rendering can take a bit depending on length and resolution. If it's taking time, just let the app work. To find the finished result, navigate back, then tap Work at the bottom. Your new video will appear in your workspace. If it's still processing, give it a moment, and it will show up when ready. That's it. Follow these steps anytime you want to create a new video in Magnific AI on mobile.